Hi guys, it's Kylie and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really fun stitch tutorial for everyone. It's called the lemon peel stitch. And I think the reason it's called the lemon peel stitch is because it creates this kind of bumpy texture that resembles the peel or the rind of a lemon. So it's a really fun and easy stitch. You just need to know how to chain, single crochet, and double crochet, and you can crochet this stitch. I'm going to be showing y'all how to make it, and I'm going to be using this Dishy multicolored yarn. I'm going to be making a couple washcloths. I love to, when I learn a new stitch, to make just a little bit, instead of just a tiny swatch, to make a little bit of a bigger swatch. You know, add a few more stitches and go ahead and just make a washcloth. So then your finished piece is actually a washcloth, something usable as opposed to having to rip your work out. But starting, you can make whatever size swatch you want to. If you want to make a washcloth or a little swatch just to test it out, totally up to you. So for those wondering about the color of the yarn, like I said, this is Dishy Multi. Both of these are. This is the color Sailboat, and this is the color Sunshine Multi. And I'm fixing to use this one and start with. But before we go any farther, if you've not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. And we're going to jump right into this, and I'm going to show you how to crochet the lemon peel stitch. And I also want to mention I'm using a 5mm or H hook. So to start, you're just going to make you a slip knot, place it on your crochet hook, and to do the lemon peel stitch, you can start with any number of odd stitches that you want. So I'm going to crochet 29, but like I said, you can start with any odd number of chain stitches. Okay, so I've chained my odd number of stitches, which I started with 29. I zoomed in a little bit so y'all could see exactly what I'm doing. And you're going to start working in the second stitch from your hook. So not this first one, but the second one. I'm going to work into the back bump of it. So you're going to skip that first stitch and work a single crochet in the second stitch from your hook. And then the next stitch, you're going to work a double crochet. And you're going to repeat that all the way across. Single crochet in one stitch, double crochet in the next. And I'm just going to repeat that all the way across till I get to the very end. So single crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch. Okay, and there is the first row. And you always want to make sure you end in a double crochet. And if you started with an odd number of stitches, you should end with a double crochet. If you didn't end with a double crochet, then you did not start with a odd number of stitches. So there's what it looks like after the first row. And you can kind of see the little, how it goes up and down from the height difference between the single crochet and the double crochet. So going on to row 2, and this will be a repeat. Every row after this will just be a repeat of row 2. We're going to chain 1, turn our work, and we're going to single crochet in the first stitch. So I know some people say, do you go in the chain stitch or the first stitch? Make sure you're not going in that chain stitch and that you're working your single crochet in the first stitch, which is going to be the double crochet of that previous row. And then you're going to double crochet in the next stitch, which is going to be the single crochet of the previous row. And you're going to repeat that across. I'm going to single crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch. So basically what you're doing is you're working a single crochet on top of that double crochet from the previous row, and then you're working a double crochet on top of the single crochet of the previous row. So if you get off and you can't remember, just remember whatever stitch that's double crochet. Okay, I'm going to work a single crochet there, and that's a single crochet, so I'm going to put a double crochet there. And I'm going to repeat that across. And that's all you do for the lemon peel stitch. I'll do a couple more rows and show y'all what it looks like after a few more rows. And here's what it looks like after a couple more rows. Just remember that every repeat row is just a repeat of row 2. And remember, after you chain 1, you begin with a single crochet, and you're always going to end on a double crochet. So that's how you make sure you work in that last stitch or not. So I hope y'all have enjoyed this tutorial for the lemon peel stitch. Be sure to check out my YouTube and my blog for other free crochet stitch tutorials and videos, and happy crocheting, guys.